In the 1960s and 1970s, physicists were excited. It appeared that a theory of everything was coming together. And indeed, by the middle 70s, say 1975, what we now call the Standard Model was in place. And the Standard Model is probably one of the great intellectual achievements of the 20th century. One of the problems with it is that the Standard Model covers 5% of the universe. What about the other 95%? Well, 27% of it is dark matter, and 68% is dark energy. So how in the world do we include those? Well, first of all, we look at the geometry of the universe, and we need to have some extra dimensions to hold all that extra matter and energy. So instead of 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension, we'll put in a dual space next to us that'll hold dark matter with its own time. And the time there will be called the Akashic record, the one eternal time. The universe that we're in, the time that we see, is a time of many worlds. We continually branch, we continually have free will to pick and choose which path we go on. And so we have a different time than the time for dark matter. But the time for dark matter is the time that our soul measures. So, okay, now we're up to 6 dimensions in space and 2 in time. Where's the rest? It turns out that there's another 18, 3 subspaces of 6 dimensions each. They're all compactified dimensions. They all exist all around us. And within these compactified dimensions is where a lot of interesting things take place. But in particular, we have strings that don't even show up on the Standard Model, yet are the basis for the electrons and other particles we have. The strings resonate, and the energy that is inside them resonates into a jelly that makes these things appear like particles. And the dark matter does the same thing, only the strings there are only 5 in total, where matter has 10 strings. So dark matter has much less activity. And then the dark energy is captured by what we call information to follow.